How to make an Evernote template. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make an Evernote template, okay? Just follow through this tutorial. So the first thing to do is to ensure that you have an Evernote account created already. And then once you have that ensured, go ahead and open up the account. Okay, so you can log in to your account through various ways. You can log in by downloading the application or by logging in on the web. So whichever way, just ensure you are logged in. And then once you're logged in, you will brought to your dashboard automatically where you see your notes by the in the middle of the screen, and then the scratch pad by the left, customized by the top right corner, etc. Now at this stage, I must inform you that for you to be able to make an Evernote template, you have to be using the paid version of Evernote. All right, because on Evernote there are different versions. There's the paid version as well as the free version. So you have to upgrade to the paid version for you to be able to make an Evernote template. And how do you upgrade? You upgrade by moving to the left side of the screen and clicking on the upgrade option at the lower part of the screen. So just click on upgrade, and once you click on upgrade, you'll be taken to the upgrade page where you see all of the subscriptions that are available, the yearly subscription as well as the monthly subscription. So you select the one that is good for you. So um the currency displayed will be determined by your location, that is your country. All right, so it is for the personal, this is for the professional, this is for the teams. All right, you just select the one you can afford at the one you paid for. And then once you've selected that you've upgraded, you go back to your home, and then once you click on notes, you can select a note, or you preferably you can just click on new notes. And once you click on new note, you'll be able to carry out a template, also create a template here. All right, or you can just select the notes you want and then turn that note into a template that you can use over and over again. But if you are using the free version, the only option for you to do is to make use of the already made Evernote templates on the site, and they are all here. The templates are under to-do list, meeting notes, project plan, etc. Just go through it and then select the one that suits you, and you can use the template for anything of your choice. So this is how you can make a template on Evernote. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.